We are doing NCERT exercise 2.5 question number 2. A gym charges a fixed monthly fee and an additional cost per hour for using the badminton court. A student using the gym observed that when she used the badminton court for 10 hours, her bill was 800, and when she used it for 15 hours, her bill was 1100. If the monthly bill Y depends on the hours of the use of the badminton court X, according to the relation Y is equal to AX plus B, find the values of A and B. So let's see what is the bill. The bill is fixed monthly fee plus cost of badminton court. Why understanding this is important? Because in some questions they may ask you the values, what does A and B represent, not only the values. So we need to understand the bill is fixed monthly fee plus cost of badminton court. And what is cost of badminton court? Cost of badminton court. What will be the cost of badminton court? It will be cost per hour of the badminton court multiplied by numbers of hours the court is used. The court is used. Yes? Fine. Cost of badminton court will be cost per hour of the badminton court into numbers of hours the court is used. Now it is saying a student using the gym observed that when she used the badminton court for 10 hours, her bill was 800. So bill, there is a relationship between bill and number of hours. So we can write it like that. This is just for your understanding. Fine. So bill and number of hours. So bill was, how much was the first bill? It was 800 and the number of hours was 10. In the second case, it is saying the bill was 1100 and the number of hours the court was used was 15. Fine. Now, if the monthly bill Y, the monthly bill is represented by Y, depends on the hours of the use of the badminton court X, and number of hours of the badminton court is represented by X. Depends on the hours of the use of the badminton. So number of hours is represented by X according to the question. And this is how they are related. They are related as Y is equal to AX plus B. Right? Now what is Y? Y is bill. Y is the bill given. And X is number of hours. So what is A? We saw here in the first thing I explained you that A is cost per hour into number of hours of the badminton court. So A is the cost per hour of the badminton court. And what is B? The bill is fixed monthly fee plus cost of badminton court. This together will become the cost of badminton court, and B will be the fixed monthly fee. This I am explaining you because at times they may ask you this. It's not required in this question though. So we know now. I'll explain you. Y is equal to AX plus B is the relationship between Y and X. Now we'll go according to the question. So Y is in first case, I'll put the values. First case, Y is 800, A we don't know, so A, and X is 10 plus B, right? And in the second case, the Y is 1100 and A we don't know, X is 15 plus B. So we got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So 800 is equal to 10A plus B according to the first one, and 1100 is equal to 15A plus B according to the second. Now these two equations can be solved by using simultaneous equation and by substitution method. So here I am using substitution method, which from using that substitution method states that I'll get the value of B in terms of A, because that will be more convenient. I can even get the value of A in terms of B from one equation, but here I am getting the value of B in terms of A. So B is, according to first equation, 800 minus 10A. Right? Now I will substitute this value, or substituting or putting the value of B in equation 2. Now instead of B, I will write this. So this will become 1100 is equal to 15A plus 800 minus 10A. Right? Now I'll get 800 to the other side of the equation because it's a constant. So 1100 minus 800 is equal to 15A minus 10A. Now we'll solve this. 1100 minus 800 becomes 300 and 15A minus 10A becomes 5A. Now value of A will be 300 divided by 5, because 5 is multiplied, comes here and it becomes divide. So what is the value of A which we derived? Is 60. Right? Now we will get the value of B. Putting the value of A in the equation we have derived. Putting the value of A in 800 minus 10A is equal to B. Over here, I can put it directly. 800 minus 10 into 60 is equal to B. That is 800 minus 600 is equal to B. So B will become 200. Now what is B and A? B is your fixed monthly fee and A is the cost per hour of the badminton court, which they have not asked but they may ask.